When Tim and I created Landmark Foundation Group, we wanted to be one of the best foundation repair companies in the United States, and not the biggest, but we wanted to be the best. And to do that, you have to partner with amazing people. We are super excited about the partnership with you and Janine and Foundation Repair of California. So tell me, what is it about us that was intriguing to you?
Well, there are several things, but understand Janine and I have been down this road more than a handful of times. But when you guys came in and you presented and you told me the first two things, and I think I mentioned that a little earlier, employee-centric and customer-focused, that got our attention. I didn't want to be sunsetted. You weren't going to sunset me. You were going to let me run the company with, of course, your influence in the background. All these things mattered to us. Now we're energized. We're looking forward for the future.
We felt that we were really rowing in the same direction with you when we met with you because of our values. They're the same, very similar. We didn't want any harm to come to our staff.
Yeah.
That was the biggest concern. And we wanted to make sure that if you would take us, that you basically took all our kids too with us. After coming to St. Louis and speaking with you, it was very clear that we were definitely aligned. You're very transparent, and we really needed that transparency. So it was comfortable. It was really, really comfortable.
We're excited about where Foundation Repair California is going to go, not only just in Northern California, but in the state of California and beyond, whatever that looks like. And so we're grateful for great leadership. You've got amazing people.
One thing that we're seeing the value in preserving your brand, right? Preserving the foundation brand that you've built here in California. I think that's a key to us coming alongside you and preserving that. We don't want to come in here and change that, right? We're seeing that take place in our industry in other areas and other aspects, and that's not something that we envision here. And you guys have done the heavy lifting. So let's put what is necessary behind that to complement that.
You know, Jason and Tim, one of the things that were really valuable to me as partnering up with you guys was the opportunity to grow, to collaborate, to partnership with somebody, to learn from not only from Helitech, but from Virginia, from Ninja, from all the others in the industry, to learn from each one of them, because that's the only way we're going to be really successful.
You know, we are a do no harm company, and that has been our philosophy. We need amazing people. We are trying to add to the team, not take away. We want to take all of our partners and do nothing but enhance their brand and truly have a do no harm philosophy, and that is our goal. Because at the end of the day, we want Landmark Foundation Group to be the best foundation repair and waterproofing company in the United States that well outlasts me and us all sitting here right now.
Right.
Because we're unfortunately not going to be able to do this forever. But if we do this correctly and we partner with the right individuals like yourselves, this can well outlast all of us and create massive opportunities for growth and leadership that will well outlast us. And if we do that correctly, then we will accomplish something great.